Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're new, you're more than welcome to join the family. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell to just notify you when I've posted a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this Ofe Nsala recipe. Ofe Nsala is a very delicious soup that originates from the eastern part of Nigeria where I come from, and it's usually made with fresh catfish, yam, but I stay out of Nigeria, so when you're out of Nigeria you kind of realize that you don't have access to a lot of fresh ingredients and even some ingredients at all. But today I'm just going to be showing you how I actually make Ofe Nsala, all that good stuff. But anyways, you've seen the video. So the very first ingredient is ogiri. Now this small but mighty ingredient actually adds a lot of traditional flavor to this soup, but you can definitely skip this step if you don't have it. Just be sure to have some pepper soup spice around, and you don't need a lot depending on the quantity of soup you're going to be making. Also going to be using some scotch bonnet, goat meat, basa steak, which is a type of catfish, uda seeds, pepper soup spice, stockfish, Cameroon pepper, otazi leaves, salt, seasoning powder or seasoning cubes, grounded crayfish, onions, which is optional, poundo yam or yam flour. So the very first step is to just blend the pepper and the ogiri as well as crayfish. Just blend them all together and then set aside. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe down below. Please also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, here I'm just adding the crayfish like I said, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit of water, and I'm just going to blend that together and then set aside. So now to begin, I'm just going to be throwing in some onions and a scotch bonnet into the boiling meat. The onions are definitely optional, and you honestly don't have to add them because it's not really important for Ofe Nsala, but I usually add the onions and I take them out later. But yeah, just season the meat with some seasoning powder, some seasoning cubes, as well as uda seeds. You can also add salt, and then I just stirred and covered and allowed it to simmer for a bit. So after a while, I just decided to throw in the stockfish just so that it could boil together with the meat. And then I added a little extra water, and then I just took out the onions and the pepper, and you can blend the pepper along with your other pepper mix. And then I just added some Cameroon pepper as well as some pepper soup spice to the meat. So after about 8 minutes, I decided to add my pepper mix, which is my crayfish, ogiri and scotch bonnet. Then I added some extra pepper soup spice, and then I stirred and covered and allowed to simmer for a bit. Then here I'm just going to be adding the catfish, and then I'm just going to be adding the poundo yam mixed with water. You can actually add the poundo yam before the catfish. For some reason, like, I'm always all over the place each time I'm filming videos. Then just cover and allow it to simmer. Now catfish doesn't take time, so under 10 minutes it should be ready. But yeah, just add that, cover the pot and allow it to simmer. for a bit before we'll add the utazi leaves. So after about 8 minutes, I just checked the soup to be sure that it wasn't burning. So yeah, just check that and then prepare the utazi leaves for the soup. So yeah, I'm just removing the dirt from the utazi leaves because they usually come with some particles and stems. But yeah, just take them out and then wash them with clean water before adding to the soup. So just added the utazi leaves sparingly into the soup because it actually tastes bitter. So try to add just a little to the soup, just enough to add flavor to the dish, but not too much to make it bitter. And then cook for extra 2 minutes and that should be ready. So that's everything for this soup, guys. If you did enjoy this video or learned a thing or two, then please do not forget to hit the thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more food videos. Also, please do not forget to hit the notification bell so that lets you know when I've just posted a new video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.